Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to download Mastodon app and create an account in Mastodon. For this, go to your Google Play Store, then search for Mastodon and click install. The app is lightweight, only 1.9 MB. It's installed. Now click open. As we don't have account yet, so let's start it. As you can see, there is a various option to join servers. This is all servers. If you don't have invitation or friend or anything, you can use any server here, and it's like email. You can interact with all the servers with just one account. So I'm going to use these servers here. Click on this. Now click next. This is the server's rule. Every server has their own rule. Click next. Now give your display name here. Username. Give your email here. Now give your password. Now click next. Password must include capital letters, special characters, and number to increase your password strength. Next. As you can see, the account is created. On last thing, they want to confirm by email. Tap the link email to you to verify your account. Let's open email. As you can see, the confirmation email is here. Click on confirm and return for Mastodon for Android. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.